Building your own home can be a rewarding yet costly endeavor. Here are some effective strategies to make you save during the process. Number one, start with planning and budgeting. Plan and budget. Start a detailed plan and budget. Outline all costs, including materials, labors, permits, and utilities. This is going to help you prevent overspending. Number two, DIY where possible. Now, take on tasks that you're comfortable with, such as painting, landscaping, or even basic carpentry. Now, this is going to significantly reduce labor costs. Number three, choose affordable materials. Research and select cost-effective materials that don't compromise quality. Consider alternatives like reclaimed wood or energy-efficient options that save money in the long run. Number four, simplify design. A straightforward design reduces construction complexity and costs. Avoid elaborate features that can inflate the budget. Number five, get multiple quotes. When hiring contractors, obtain multiple quotes to ensure that you're getting a fair price. Don't hesitate to negotiate. Number six, consider energy efficiency. Invest in energy efficient systems and appliances. While they may have a higher upfront cost, they will save you money on utility bills over time. Number seven, monitor the progress. Monitor the progress. Stay actively involved in the construction process. Regular check-ins help ensure that the project stays on schedule within budget. By being strategic and hands-on, you can significantly reduce the overall cost of building your dream home.